Welcome to the second episode of Master Your Mind, Master Your Trading podcast. Today's episode is all about how to overcome fear and greed in trading. Hi, my name is Khushbu Jain, a stock market trader turned trainer and author and upcoming podcaster. If you are an active trader, you may know that fear and greed can negatively impact your trading decision. Fear can make you hesitant when you should be taking action, and greed can lead you to take unnecessary risks that result in significant losses. Let's talk about fear first. Fear often comes from a lack of confidence in your abilities and knowledge. It can also be caused by fear of losing money or missing out on a profitable trade. To overcome fear in trading, you need to have a solid plan in place and stick to it. Make sure that you have a clear understanding of the market and the risk involved in each trade. Use stop loss order to limit losses and do not let emotions drive your decisions. Let's talk about greed. Greed is often driven by the desire to make more money. It can lead traders to make unnecessary risks such as investing too much money in a single trade or not taking profit when they should. To overcome greed, you need to set realistic goals for your trades and stick to them. Do not let the promise of big profit cloud your judgment. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. So how do we manage these emotions when trading? One strategy is to take a break and step away from your trading desk when you feel overwhelmed. You can also practice mindfulness techniques to help you stay focused and present in the moment. And most importantly, always be honest with yourself and your emotion and how they may be affecting your decision. In conclusion, fear and greed are natural emotions that can impact your trading decision. However, by having a solid plan in place, setting realistic goals, and managing your emotion can overcome these obstacles and become a successful trader. Thank you so much joining in Master Your Mind, Master Your Trading podcast with me today. I hope you find these podcasts valuable and these techniques will help you take your trading success to the next level. Remember to stay positive, stay focused and keep growing. This is Khushbu Jain signing off.